Hello everyone. Welcome to Lambda functions in Python coding exercise. In Python, Lambda is used to create small anonymous functions using Lambda keyword and can be used wherever function objects are needed. It can be any number of arguments but only one expression. The syntax for the same is lambda argument or arguments colon expression. In this coding exercise, I'm going to implement a simple lambda function. To start with, we are going to implement a lambda function that adds 10 to the number passed in as an argument and print the result. So take a variable x in lambda . And then just call the function. So you can see the result is 48. 5 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10. As a second implementation, I'm going to use lambda function inside my function. So use def and now I'm going to calculate the lambda square. So as you can see, the square of 10 is 100. So here we have created one function and then we are calculating the square of the number that is passed as x. We are implementing this lambda function using lambda x multiplied by x. So this is stored in nothing in a variable that is called as lambda square. So in this way, you can create small anonymous functions using lambda in Python. That's it from my side for this coding exercise. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.